Facebook logo. Private Capital Management Incorporated cut its position in Facebook Incorporated, Nasdaq FB, by 9.3% during the third quarter, according to its most recent disclosure with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The fund owned 8,800 shares of the social networking company stock, after selling 900 shares during the period. Facebook makes up 1.2% of Private Capital Management Incorporated's portfolio, making the stock its 15th largest position. Private Capital Management Incorporated's holdings in Facebook were worth $1,129,000 as of its most recent SEC filing. Other hedge funds have also added to or reduced their stakes in the company. Adage Capital Partners GP LLC raised its stake in Facebook by 9.9% in the first quarter. Adage Capital Partners GP LLC now owns 3,553,000 shares of the social networking company's stock valued at $405,397,000 after buying an additional 320,200 shares during the last quarter. Allen Investment Management LLC raised its stake in Facebook by 20.1% in the first quarter. Allen Investment Management LLC now owns 48,643 shares of the social networking company's stock valued at $5,550,000 after buying an additional 8,137 shares during the last quarter. Bayesian Capital Management LP raised its stake in Facebook by 2.5% in the first quarter. Bayesian Capital Management LP now owns 8,200 shares of the social networking company's stock valued at $936,000 after buying an additional 200 shares during the last quarter. Wilfsers Partners LLC purchased a new stake in Facebook during the first quarter valued at approximately $1,531,000. Finally, Legal & General Group plc raised its stake in Facebook by 0.5% in the first quarter. Legal & General Group plc now owns 9,117,874 shares of the social networking company's stock valued at $1,040,354,000 after buying an additional 49,744 shares during the last quarter. 56.87% of the stock is owned by institutional investors. Institutional ownership by quarter for Facebook, Nasdaq FB. Facebook Incorporated, Nasdaq FB, traded up 1.25% during midday trading on Thursday, hitting $117.79. The stock had a trading volume of 18,351,217 shares. Facebook Incorporated has a one-year low of $89.37 and a one-year high of $133.50. The company has a market cap of $275,725.81 billion, a price-to-earnings ratio of 45.48, and a beta of 0.76. The company's 50-day moving average is $126.80. And its 200-day moving average is $122.49. Facebook, Nasdaq FB, last posted its quarterly earnings data on Wednesday, November 2nd. The social networking company reported $1.09 EPS for the quarter, topping the Zacks consensus estimate of 97 cents by 12 cents. Facebook had a net margin of 30.32%. and a return on equity of 16.51%. The company earned $7 billion during the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $6.90 billion. During the same period in the prior year, the business posted 57 cents EPS. The company's quarterly revenue was up 55.8% on a year-over-year basis. On average, equities analysts anticipate that Facebook Incorporated will post $4.09 earnings per share for the current fiscal year. Several research firms have recently issued reports on FB. Piper Jaffray Co.'s restated an overweight rating and set a $185 price objective on shares of Facebook in a report on Wednesday, October 5. Nomura restated a buy rating and set a $155 price objective on shares of Facebook in a report on Tuesday, October 18. Mizuho restated a buy rating and set a $150 price objective on shares of Facebook in a report on Tuesday, October 4. Morgan Stanley restated an overweight rating and set a $160 price objective on shares of Facebook in a report on Wednesday, October 12. Finally, Cohen & Company restated an outperform rating and set a $150 price objective on shares of Facebook in a report on Monday, September 26. One investment analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 7 have assigned a hold rating, 43 have given a buy rating and 3 have given a strong buy rating to the stock. The stock has a consensus rating of buy and an average target price of $150.67. In other news, CFO David M. Wenner sold 10,528 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction that occurred on Friday, August 19. The shares were sold at an average price of $123.59 for a total transaction of $1,301,155.52. Following the transaction, the chief financial officer now directly owns 68,922 shares of the company's stock, valued at $8,518,069.98. The sale was disclosed in a legal filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, which can be accessed through the SEC website. Also, insider Jas Athwal sold 14,510 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction that occurred on Friday, August 19. The stock was sold at an average price of $123.59 for a total transaction of $1,793,290.90. Following the transaction, the insider now directly owns 110,943 shares in the company, valued at $13,711,445.37. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. 19.08% of the stock is currently owned by corporate insiders. About Facebook. Facebook Incorporated builds products that enable people to connect and share through mobile devices in personal computers. The company enables people to share their opinions, ideas, photos and videos, and other activities. Its products include Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Oculus. Facebook is a mobile application and website that enables people to connect, share, discover and communicate with each other on mobile devices in personal computers.